Hello students, today in our session we will be starting with the chapter houses all around, and particularly we will be discussing oral questions which are inside the lesson and HOTS question which are in the exercise. So let us immediately start. Now starting with oral questions which is on page 39, the first question is, house in hot or cold or rainy areas have thick walls and flat roofs. So what is the correct option? The correct option is hot. In hot areas they have thick walls and flat roofs. Let us see second question. Houses in hilly areas are built using bamboo and wood or concrete or glass. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is wood. Okay. In hilly areas, generally the houses are built using bamboo and wood. Okay. Let us see third question. Houses made of mud, bamboo and palm leaves are called kachcha, pucca or mud houses. Okay. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is kachcha houses. Houses made of bamboo, mud and palm leaves are called kachcha houses. Okay. Now let us see some HOTS questions. There are two HOTS questions. Let us read first one. Mr. Rongpi lives in Cherrapunji. He got his house constructed with a flat roof. What disadvantage is he going to face? Well, the answer to this question is Cherrapunji is one of the highest rainfall receiving places in India, getting an average rainfall of more than 1100 cm in a year. Flat roofs are not good enough in such location as it will not drain away so much of water, and hence there should be sloping roof or proper seepage pattern for the roof. So Mr. Rongpi should immediately modify the roof structure of his house and he should construct it in such a way so that the water should get drained away. So the last line you will write, so Mr. Rongpi should immediately modify the roof structure of his house as there is high possibility of leakage issues with such roof. Okay students, let us see next question. The Gupta family have moved to a new house. I will repeat. The Gupta family have moved to a new house. Mr. Gupta is pleased with the large glass windows. Okay, Mrs. Gupta is pleased with large glass windows which give a good view, but she is worried about security. What advice would you give her? Well, you will suggest, I will advise that Mrs. Gupta should fit iron grills with the windows as it will provide security to their house from burglary and other such threats and will also not stop ventilation. Well, that were hot questions and this was the last question for the day. So students, we have discussed here question and answers from within the lesson. Okay, these were oral questions and also we studied about HOTS questions solution which is on page 41 of the textbook. So students, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. You can put your questions in comment box. So thank you for attending this session. See you during next session with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.